while since I made a YouTube video because of their new rules and algorithms and stuff like that. So it's the first time recording in a while. Today we have getting some axle backs. So the reason why this customer brought this car to me is because he had it done, but they obviously didn't do a very good job. It is the same on both sides. He's already been to me earlier. I was trying to see what I could do to help him out in the meantime before we got his parts. But yeah, let's just take a look underneath. So first thing we can see is that these are stretched, these clamps, and they don't hold anymore. The next, I mean, this is what we're working with. It's making contact up here. You know, it's got barely welded. Let's see if I can turn the light on. No, can't turn the light on. It's just not the greatest. So that's why he's brought it here. It's like that on both sides. This one's a little bit, but this one's loose too. So they must have used the impact on the bolt right here because it's very stretched and doesn't clamp anymore. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that, make them some beautiful axle backs, and let's get to work. All right, so you guys want to see something great? I just noticed upon taking off this exhaust, that side exhaust. So I'm like, so upon further review, I just pulled this off the driver's side, and as I was pulling it out, something had caught my eye. So let me see if I can get in there and show you. That's folded on itself. And if you look, that pipe has to come into about right here. Let's see if I can get better. Yeah, that's not good. But you know what? That's why he brings it to the best. And we're going to get this all taken care of. Don't worry about those welds. You don't need that. It's at the very end, right? So, back at it. We've got this side cut down. I've got it welded on the inside, the V-band. And this is my mock-up. Fits on there pretty nice. I'm going to see if I can test fit it real quick, and then I'll cut you guys back on. Alright. We've got everything mocked up. It's tight. This is just tack welded in place so far, so if I need to make adjustments, got the tip on. Let's see from the other side, I gotta do hangers still. So it looks pretty good. Nice and straight and even. Unlike that side, that's god awful. The client wanted to stick with these tips. I advised them it should probably go like 4 5s. These are, I believe, 4-inch, but they're, I don't know if you can see that. There you go. They're MagnaFlows. So we wanted to keep those. So we'll keep them. But yeah, have to use that bend. I know it doesn't, it's used, but it's got a real tight radius on it, and it just works. So we end up using that. This side's next. This is how they did it. This is that crap that every exhaust shop uses because it's easy to bend, easy to weld. And don't let them tell you that it doesn't rust, because that's showing signs of rust. It's just, you know, I get it. It's slam bam, get it done, get it out, get money. But, you know, I at least say take some pride in your work. These are people's cars. They spend a lot of money, you know, hard-earned money on their cars to get them done the right way. But I mean, look at that stick out. That is just, ugh. That is god awful compared to that stick out. Nice, sleek design. I can even go in a little bit. Tell me what you guys think down in the comments. You like it this way or this way? I'm kind of a fan of it sticking out a little bit since this thing does breathe fire. But yeah, okay. I got the hangers on. I'm gonna go take this one off and put it on the bench and weld it. And then time for this side. Dun dun dun. This is what that pipe looked like. I mean, I don't know how well that's supposed to flow, but that's what was in the driver's side exhaust right at the axle back. So that's how it looks inside. Not good. So this should flow a lot better, especially it being 3-inch all the way instead of going from 3-inch to, what's this say, 2.5 aluminized. Good job, Canada. Just kidding. But yeah, 3-inch all the way back. It should sound rowdy. So I just got done cutting the second one. There's one. And it was the same exact thing. Pull that up. I want to know how this managed to flow any, if not none. Well, there you go. You got a little bit of hole. How does that even work? How does that even work? That blows my mind. That's crazy. How does that even work? That was in that pipe right there, going this way. How does that flow? How does this car even running? I don't understand. But I got that one on there. That one's all done. Nice and pretty. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Nice, pretty TIG welds. Voila. So I'm gonna get started on mocking up the passenger side. I know it's a freaking mess right now. I'm going through a lot of changes at the shop right now. As you can see, I got me a bigger toolbox. So getting rid of the little ones, getting rid of this one, and definitely this one. The less space I have to put stuff, the better. That way we'll keep it clean. But yeah, this is just, I gotta work with what I got right now. So fortunately it's a freaking mess. But yeah, I'm gonna get the other one knocked up. I'm rambling. It's been a long day. I'll cut you back on while I'm welding it. That way we can get a cool welding shot. Alright, well, we got the passenger side mocked up, finished up, and we'll clean it off real quick. I've got it back purging right now, as you can see. It's over there. This side's taped off. Getting ready to weld it. Just make sure it's clean and looks pretty. That way it holds when he's two-stepping and shooting flames out. See what this turns out to be. Start with this side and work my way down with the gas flow. I'm gonna purge it real quick. we go. Gotta turn this off pulse. Forgot I had it on there. Alright, well, let me get finished up with this, finish welding it, I'll go install it, and then probably do a startup, and that'll be that. Alright. Alright, so just got it finished welded. And we're gonna throw it on the car. Hey, if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely helps the channel. Share this with your friends. Trying to get some content out there, trying to get some more subscribers and hit that goal. So appreciate it. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, well, got it all set up. Let's hear what it sounds like, because the last ones were probably about 70% closed. Back it up a little bit before I blow the fucking mic out. Damn, that's loud. I don't know if I can prop it back. Jesus Christ. Let me see if I can get you in the car. Ugh. Well, folks, there you have it. Let me turn this thing off before I get in trouble. And that is a Timeslip axleback on a Mustang. So go ahead and leave a comment, tell me what you think, if you like it, if it's too rowdy. I don't know, show some love. See you guys on the next one. All right, peace.